Hi, I'm Justin Powell with Allen Roofing. We are a family-owned and operated company. My brother Taylor and sister Tegan work with me, and we have a great crew, 9 guys that work with us that we really enjoy associating with. We've been in the business for more than 30 years in the Pacific Northwest. We are located out of Stanwood, Washington, and serve the I-5 corridor from Seattle to Bellingham and everything in between. We really enjoy, part of our job is meeting new people every day and getting to help them with their roofing needs, which is always nice to help out. A lot of times there's a lot of bad situations going on, and we're able to step in and help them out, which makes us feel good and helps them to feel good. In the process, we're able to talk about different roofing products. We do things anywhere from the asphalt shingles to metal roofs to the TPO flat roofs, so we're pretty well versed in all the different industries, and just really want to meet the needs of the homeowners. We'll definitely give our recommendations on what we think is best, and usually it's price point regulated, and we're happy to work with any product that's out there. But of course, always give our input, what we think is the right product to use for the particular job, so that you get the best product and are happy with it for the longevity. One thing I think we'd like to pride ourselves in is we've got workers that have been with our company for quite a long time, and they do excellent work, and I feel like we have really great pricing. So we really value that and how it can help homeowners. I know roofs can get pretty expensive, but we are just grateful to be out in this area and working and helping clients throughout the Pacific Northwest.